Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day. I'm excited to talk to you about this great essential oil kit. It's doTERRA's introductory kit. This is available right in the Philippines for you to purchase. Now you're going to look at getting this kit if you are wanting to get a jump start on having essential oils in your home. Maybe you've never used oils before and you're not quite sure if it's something that you're really going to jump into or something that your family needs. This kit is a great way to try it out. You may also be looking for a gift for someone who has everything. I can promise you they've never gotten a gift like this. So listen to a few of my tips on how you're going to use these oils, and then you're going to want to get in touch with the person who sent you this video. They will get you connected with being able to purchase this kit. Now, if you found this video all on your own while you're looking through YouTube or Facebook, just comment below and I'm more than happy to get you connected with the right people to get you essential oils. Now, let's open up this kit. You're going to find 3 essential oils, all in 5 ml bottles. So that means you're going to get 100 drops of each of these oils: lavender, lemon, and peppermint. Now let me tell you, lavender is everything calming. You're going to reach for lavender when you have a sunburn, an itchy mosquito bite, or maybe you want a good night's sleep. Well, how are you going to use those oils? Let me tell you. Lavender will calm the skin. So if you've been burned, sunburned, or burned in the kitchen, you're just going to drip that right on the skin and let it soak in. Maybe you've got a mosquito bite or an itchy rash. Again, a couple of drops on the skin, lightly rub it in, let it soak in, and that's going to soothe the redness and the itching and the swelling. What about a good night's sleep? That is as simple as a drop in your hand, rubbing your hands together, and taking a nice deep breath. Then you can take your hands, rub them right over your pillow to give your pillow the beautiful scent of lavender. And then I love to finish that off by just rubbing my neck and behind my ears with what's left on my hands. And this is going to give you or your children or your spouse a great night's sleep. What about lemon? Lemon is so refreshing and is a great thing to put in your water on a hot day. I love to put a drop of lemon and a drop of peppermint, which we'll talk about in a minute, right in a glass of water. It's refreshing, it's cooling, and it helps your body to release toxins. There are pollutants and germs everywhere we go. Now, isn't it great that we can help our body in getting rid of those toxins naturally? The other thing that you can do with lemon is throw it in your diffuser. It's going to purify the air, it's going to uplift your mood, and just bring a little extra sunshine right into your house. The last tip I'm going to give you for lemon is if you're wanting to clean your countertops and your kitchen and bathroom appliances with an all-natural disinfectant. 2 or 3 drops of lemon in a 100 ml spray bottle filled the rest of the way with water is a great disinfectant. You simply spray that on your countertops, wipe it off, and you have killed all sorts of bacteria and virus that might be living right there on the surfaces in your home. So let's jump to peppermint. I already talked about it a little bit. It's very cooling. If your children are running a fever or you're feeling very overheated and hot from being outside in the sun all day, swiping that right across the back of your neck, over your forehead, or a drop in a glass of water is amazingly refreshing. Now, a couple of tips. You're always going to want to keep essential oils away from your eyes. So if you're rubbing that on your forehead and you're sweating a lot, make sure you've got a towel so that you can dab that away and it doesn't drip into your eyes. Same as putting it on your children. Make sure you don't put it on their hands when they may rub their eyes. You don't want to get oils in your eyes, in your nose, or in your ears, because it would be really uncomfortable because the oils absorb very quickly, and so sensitive skin can feel really tingly and almost hot sometimes. But regular application with peppermint, you're going to get that awesome cooling sensation, whether it's fevers, like I said, or hot, dry skin. Now, the other thing a lot of people don't know about peppermint is it's very soothing to your tummy. Whether you are nauseous from motion sickness, maybe you ate something that was a little spoiled or it doesn't agree with your stomach, or if you're pregnant, morning sickness, peppermint is going to help you with all of these. Just taking a whiff of the oil itself right out of the bottle or rubbing it right here onto the jawline. Now, very last of all, I want to share with you one of my very favorite combinations. That is peppermint and lavender together. When I am feeling a lot of stress or tension and even a tension headache. Taking the lavender and peppermint together on my hands, rubbing it together, rubbing into my temples and on my forehead, all across the back of my neck and onto my shoulders, and then lastly, a nice big deep breath. You're going to feel refreshed, refocused, and that tension is going to melt away. So there are a few ways that you will find yourself using your doTERRA introductory kit. Again, if you've got questions, comment below this video or get in touch with the person who sent you this link and they will totally hook you up.